In today's energy markets, let's take a look at RBOB Gasoline futures as they're moving higher today. RBOB futures trading higher for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading up about 1.5% on the day at the 2.105 level, so just over that 210 handle here today. Moving back up towards the middle of the range here for the last better part of the last month and a half, actually. So when you look at the price action today, driving factors, a couple things I think influencing the market. Number one, non-farm payrolls this morning. Even though the headline number showed a little bit less job growth than what was anticipated, the unemployment rate actually ticked down, and the revisions to the previous couple of months were up significantly. So it does appear that the economic structure remains pretty strong as we move into the driving season, and it does appear that's another factor, I think, contributing to the higher price action. As again, I think the expectations are that we're going to see an increase in activity moving in the summer months, more so than even last year. And also some of the policy initiatives by the new administration, I think, are also having an impact on the expectations for RBOB moving forward. Now, looking at the general trends, RBOB is coming off the recent lows to trade back into the middle of the range for 2025. We're looking at a low around 2.04 and a high about 2.20. So we're back in a lower middle of that range that's been established. But what's unique about that is when you look at it relative to WTI, WTI is coming off the lowest levels for 2025 in yesterday's session and trading just slightly higher here today. So there is some dispersion now forming between the price action in WTI and RBOB as, again, we move into the summer driving months. So something to keep an eye on. And when you look at the energy complex as a whole, we're seeing flat to higher prices across the board, with RBOB being one of the stronger relative strength markets today. But when you look at WTI up slightly, and natural gas is actually slightly lower today. But overall, relative to WTI, RBOB does appear to be showing some dispersion here and showing relative strength.